welcome to Math Media. Today I am going to discuss compound interest. So interest compounded half yearly. Children, you know that if interest is compounded annually, you know the formula. What is compound amount? Yes, amount A equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. If it is compounded half yearly, the interest, then what are the changes occurs? That means annually means we are calculating interest only one time. Half yearly means in a year we have to calculate the interest two times. So what is the changes occur on rate of interest? Yes, our rate of interest also will become half. So here if interest is compounded half yearly, rate of interest will become half and the time period will become double. So we can see here if the interest is compounded half yearly, the time period n becomes twice, that means 2n, and the rate r becomes half of the annual rate. R becomes r by 2. Hence the formula for compound interest, if it is calculated half yearly, is amount A equal to P into 1 plus rate become half R upon 200. Now we move to questions on try this page number 130. Find the time period and rate for each. First one, a sum taken for 1.5 years at 8% per annum is compounded half yearly. We can find the time period n and rate. Here we are calculating compound interest half yearly. Time period become twice and rate become half. Our time is 1.5 year. So it become twice means 2n, 2 into 1.5 equal to 2 multiplied by 3 by 2 equal to 3. 2 cancel, we get 3. So our year become 3, n become 3 half years. And what about the rate? Rate is 8%. That become half of 8%. Cancelling 2 and 8, we get 4% per half year. Find the time period and rate for each. A sum taken for 2 years at 4% per annum compounded half yearly. Here we have to find the time period and rate. See children, the interest is compounded half yearly, then what will be the respective changes? Do you remember that one? Yes. In this case, that is interest is compounded half yearly, then time period will become twice and the rate of interest will become half. These two things you should take care, so we can see what will be the time and rate. Since we have interest rate 4% per annum for n equal to 2 years. Since it is compounded half yearly, n becomes 2n. So we have 2 into 2 is 4 half years. Now if the interest is compounded half yearly, we have to calculate the interest for 4 half years. Similarly, rate becomes half. That means r equal to 1 by 2 into given rate is 4%. After cancelling, we get r equal to 2% per half year. So our time become 4 half years and rate become 2% per half year. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share.